Integrating our lives with the forces of nature? How? The air touches and absorbs the essence of all life's creations. Breathe. Feel the sky, stars, trees, the earth below our feet, in every gust of wind, in the sight and touch of every ray of light. Go within, while connecting with our surroundings, in the taste of nature's bounty and the sound of rustling leaves, we are exposed to the heightened experience of being nature. Remember to hear, see, taste, touch, and breathe Mother Nature in every now. And so it is.